think it's something that Johane always wanted. I don't know. Yes.
Alphabet. Wait, there might be a coupon.
No, it's not. You want to know? We just talked about it this morning. I swear to God. I said to Johane, I go, you know,
I hate microwave food.
I really don't want a microwave. And she goes, but you know what? We really need one. We really need one in our new place.
Oh, watch out, this has like those nail things in it.
She goes, we really need one in our new place. We really did need one. Now, it's a way of life. Do you have a microwave at home?
What?
In Japan, do you have microwaves? Everybody has a microwave. Are we upside right? Cool.
Best thing to do is flip it over and let it pop out.
Flip it? Do the quick one. Look at it.
Woo! Woo! Watch, Johnny, because we're going to scratch it.
Give him a knife, cut the sides, and just flip it out.
Yeah, but then you can't get it home.
No, but you know how many staples you have in here? It's like a...
Oh, Dennis, the staples went through?
Oh, no, it didn't hit anything. It's just, Joanna, watch your hands.
Wait.
Here, Kim, hold this. Hold this.
No, wait, watch, no.
I got it.
Okay, here.
We got to take the staples out and put it back in.
Ooh, it's beautiful.
Really nice. Thank you.
Very nice. Just what we wanted. Thank you. Thank you.
It's like the plate? Yeah.
And the directions.
These are yours.
Does it have an attachment for the car on the way home? Fantastic.
Now we can cook.
No, we can heat up.
Get home.
We can heat up. That's what it's for.
Thank you, Dennis.
You're welcome.
I think you can use it.
No, we talked about it. I swear to God, we talked about this
You
morning.
could use it. Yeah. I know, I love them. Gotta get nails.
Let's put the doggy in.
Come on, right in here. Go right in there.
You know, we're gonna have to take the staples. Oh no, they're not in there.
No, they're in the sides though. See it? Feel it right here.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, you even big apples. Just get a knife and take them right out.
Okay. Yeah, but you know I should do it on the hard floor. Or do it on the table so they don't fall into the rug, man. And lose them. You like the microwave?
Yes.
You use it at home?
Uh-huh.
In her small room.
He has a small room.
Small room. Very expensive.
Her parents
you have a
own
house or you
apartment.
Apartment.
Her parents own apartments in Tokyo.
Oh, they own apartments?
9 units, but she said we're small. Her and her brother live in one. And my husband lives
How much do they charge for apartments? In yen. How many yen? What do you charge, by month?
Month? 1 month?
Do you pay by the month?
No, she don't pay at all.
No, I know. Not you, but someone that your parents...
50,000 yen.
50,000?
50,000 yen.
50,000 yen divided by 127. That's 100...
About 400?
No. 50,000 yen. Can you write that for me?
She got her computer. Where's your computer?
Okay.
She got a little watch that does everything.
She's going to go from here to the dorm, right?
She's going to go to regular college, not just
But she's going to go to the dorm, though, right?
yeah.
Regular college?
5, 6.
400.
A month?
Oh, you were right. 400 US?
That's it? Duh.
That's not very, but how big?
Very good.
How big?
I told you here it was expensive, right? Last night I told you for a 1 bedroom here or 2 bedroom, they get like.
Yeah, but how big would it be?
About the size of our room. As that our room.
Yeah. Same as Dennis' room?
Yeah.
Bigger? Yeah. A little bigger? About as big as the garage?
No.
I forgot to.
She forgot how to say so.
Do you get a kitchen? Does it come with kitchen also? And bathroom. Very big kitchen or small kitchen?
Small kitchen.
Small kitchen.
Small kitchen, small bathroom.
Small bathroom. Do you have a bathtub or just shower? Tub? No shower.
Lorraine, who's talking?
Equipment? With the shower. Equipped with the shower.
I'm not. You just happen to be in there. If you don't like it, move.
So $400. That's not that. It's comfortable.
Johanna, you know how to work it now?
She has a third sense about those things. Turn it on, put it to high, and bake the hell out of it.
Right. Put it in 20 minutes, turn it
That's
to
what
20.
we were talking about it this morning. We had a fundamental